Y'all be careful. Step back. Step back.
Right here behind the shed.
Oh, you can't get him right there. She's on the other side.
Yeah, she's on the other side of the fence.
Yeah. She's rabid, but she only try to bite males.
Hold on, no, I can't vote.
She's over here. I don't give a fuck.
Here. Brown dog. Brown dog. Here. All right, I got him.
I told him, I was like, man, make sure you
I'm
tell
gonna
him to
keep
get
her
ready.
attention. What's going on?
Where the dog at?
Oh, shit. I could have zoomed in.
Nigga, you could have zoomed in.
That when you shot it.
Damn. This shit was crazy than a motherfucker. This motherfucker, Oklahoma Productions. Niggas getting shot out here, nigga.